I'm going to change this problem just so we have division of fractions involved in this too. 2/10, which is what this is, 0.2 is 2/10. Let's write it as -3/4 divided by 2/10.
Make sure you told me that.
Oh, I'm saying on the video, so hello. All right. So, -3/4, the first number is already a fraction. I'm changing my decimal number 0.2, which is, if you read it correctly, it's read as 2/10, so 2/10, right? Just so we can get to the division of fractions idea. Sometimes you're going to have fractions in your division statement, and notice that this is a -3/4, this is a positive 2/10. Signs are opposite, so I get a negative answer. What you want to remember about dividing fractions is whatever the second fraction is, the one that's being divided by, the divisor, we're going to need to change this to a multiplication of a reciprocal. So I'm going to keep -3/4 as is. Nothing happens to the first object, the dividend. But I'm going to modify the problem from a division into a multiplication problem. And I'm going to reciprocate this number, make it 10/2. So -3/4 times 10/2. And just like before, I'm looking to reduce fractions if I can in the process before I start multiplying. So once it becomes a multiplication problem, it's just like example 2 was. I'm multiplying some fractions. So if I notice a number on top and a number on bottom that divide by the same number, I should do that before I multiply everything. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 5/1 is equivalent to number 2, but smaller. 3 and 5 don't have common factors of 4 or 1, so that's as much as I can do for reducing. So what's left to do then finally is just multiply top times top. 3 times 5 makes 15. Bottom times bottom, 4 times 1 makes 4. Again, a negative and a positive makes a negative solution. So the answer is -15/4. And again, improper fraction, final answer is perfectly fine. Please leave it as an improper fraction. Please become comfortable with that.